Oi lads, and welcome to Shadowrun Returns. This is a very special day for me and every RPG fan, because this is one of the many incoming good old style RPGs, turn-based RPGs games from Black Isle Entertainment Studios, guys behind Fallout 1 and 2, which are my favorite games of all time. And although Shadowrun, original Shadowrun, is the game before my time, I started, I was like 10 when I was playing Fallout 1 and 2, Baldur's Gate, Icewind Dale. I haven't played original Shadowrun. I'm a huge fan of turn-based RPG games, so let's get started. Okay, so let's see, the dead man's, what the fuck is this? I don't give a shit, I'm going to launch a campaign. Now, this is very important thing to me. Character creation. Let's go with male. Oh, excellent. I can choose race. That is first thing that I like. Now, let's see. Who should I? Orc, troll are the largest meta-human race. Heavy prejudice against people to some trolls have lowered intelligence, but in reality there is no proof of this. +1 body, +1 strength. I'm kind of fan of humans the most. I really dislike elves. Let's go with human. Street Samurai. Now, I'm not familiar with all these thingies, so I gotta read carefully. The Street Samurai is a freelance operative who follows the code of street honor. They learn the ways of traditional samurai warrior. Blah blah blah. Key attribute body and strength and quickness, close to range combat or bow throwing weapons, dodge. Key specialization, any weapon. Mage, not interested. But anyway, here is for you guys that you can see. Decker uses a cyber deck to check into the matrix, the worldwide information grid and computer network. Awesome. Intelligence, decking, expert systems. Shaman. Spirit, okay. Rigger uses cyber to check into mine and control small robot-like vehicle. Riggers are used rigging. I already like the classes. Physical adapter, magically active characters who focus their magic internally to develop to their utmost potential physical. As adepts unlock new abilities, they become on physical machines, using their magic to enhance their close combat. What should I be? There is no thief-like. Maybe Rigger. But let's go with this. Okay, now first part of this let's play will be just character creation, so let's see what I can do. Here I can see lads with how they look like, you know, their portrait and their physical appearance. I like it already because portraits are similar to their physical figures. I like the mask. Okay, let's see other races, just for the fun of it. Elves, how they look like. You can change here to custom and change their appearance, skin, hairstyle. Awesome, I gotta say. Beard. Crazy. This was some kind of dwarf-like elf. So yeah, there are your options. Let's see, dwarves, how they look like. Oh, stocky fellows. I love dwarves, but I don't want to play warrior. Pretty cool, I gotta say I love it. I love it so far. A couple of things you can... Oh, classic dwarf, I like it. Lots of portraits, you know, lots of character styles. Truly awesome. Let's see orcs. Nice. They look a bit like Baraka from Mortal Kombat. Okay, let's see. Trolls. Oh, huge busty motherfuckers. These guys look pretty epic. Okay, now that I've watched through everyone, I will stick to my human Decker, and I want to have him as... Let's see, I'm going to custom style it. Hairstyle. This is fucking epic. Check out this Japanese style hair. Okay. Oh, Marines. Let's go with Whistler from Blade type. Beard. Nah. I like this one. Let's see, beard. Okay, true gamer. Decker. He knows about cyber and computer stuff. And I forgot to shave himself and, well, go to haircut. I'm going to change hairstyle. Yeah, let's go with this. I'm going to choose portrait. One portrait like this. And let's continue to stats. Karma represents the experience characters earn while running in the shadows and achieving goals. Karma is used to improve attributes and skills, so basically something of an experience point. Okay, so I have 8 available karma. I forgot to see what was my main stat. I think it was intelligence. Okay. Increases the power of Decker expertise in programming the Matrix. Since I'm very unfamiliar with all this stuff, I'm going to have to be... Use the calculate change to control spirits. Spirit summoning, spirit control. Nah. My guy is intelligence. Willpower is 4. Use to calculate the chance to hit with magical attacks. Okay. Biotech, I like it. Intelligence. Throwing weapons. So this guy is good with throwing weapons and close combat. I mean good, not really good, but it is proficient with it. And ranged combat. Should I go with ranged? I'm not sure right now, but I like how this all looks, you know. It's very good. Quickness, intelligence. Let's go with more intelligence and excellent. And now I have drones also. That would be it, lads. Choose an etiquette. What is that? Etiquette is about knowing how to behave in various social. The right etiquette can give you an edge in certain conversations. Choose an etiquette from the list below. Corporate, security, gang, socialist, shadowrunner, street, academic. Let's go with academic. Many runners use street name, handle names, half jack, please choose a name for your character. Okay,